No, right now. Okay, so we just had an encounter in the parking lot. And how'd it go, Tanner?
Let him come back.
Let him come back. Tanner's
Quote by Lindsay.
See, what Tanner was doing was trying to let people over fairly, like, whoever was waiting the longest, and then the next in line, and then we went.
I don't think you can go in this
that
one.
ain't how that
Give Christians an inch and they'll take a mile.
And they'll take a mile. Really, I said if you give someone an inch, they take a mile.
And then
But
you
then I
said,
said when you give Christian an inch, they take a mile. At least when it comes to driving in parking lots and leaving a conference.
You park right
Called
there by that
Passion.
door.
So Tanner says, let him come again.
Don't turn the video off yet. Hold on. Hold on.
Wait, the cowboy.
Where's Mr. Arnold?
telephone.
He's gonna make his arm go up.
That's going on Facebook. That with Lauren dancing in the background. Now I'm going on Facebook.
Do the yeehaw one. You have to put the arm back down and do it again. We just got left.
This is like a Marzipants off of Homestar.
Marzipants.
Not pants.
Lauren just said Marzipants.
I thought it was. Lauren just said we are thirsty.
It's like a Marzipants.
Lindsay does that voice perfectly.
Not Hold on, I can't get
Alright,
my
we're going to
shoe
the
on.
gas station.
Not marzipan.
Here we go together. Someone dropped my purse.